Hi guys, it's Cass from DockyDock. So I'm going to show you today how to correctly install the airbag onto the back of your DockyDock tailgate. Now, what comes in with the the airbag package is, of course, the airbag itself. You've got the metal, you've got the nuts and bolts, and you'll find a hose. Now, the airbag, we'll start with this, is actually two parts. You'll find this is where we inflate the airbag from, and this is an inflatable, and this is an outer shell. So you can see here, the inflatable is actually removable from the shell. The reason we've made it removable is because depending on your docking, mooring situation, you might have a jetty on the port or the starboard. Every boating situation is different. So you can remove the airbag and you can switch it around so you can have the air pipe coming on the starboard or port, depending on what works best for you. In this video, we're going to have the air pipe on the starboard side. So you'll receive it like this, and you will receive two metal brackets. The metal brackets simply slide inside of these pockets. So give them a little shake, and that is in. The second one, and that is now in. This is now ready to go and plug on top of the tailgate. If we pause that there. So we're going to now plug the airbag onto the tailgate. So you'll find, before we plug it on, make note of these holes. So these holes are what is going to align with the bracket to allow you to put the bolts through. So once you know where these holes are, you know where you're going to plug the airbag onto. So you can see the airbag and you can see the holes. We're going to plug this directly over the top. So you can see here, I'm putting, move this out of the way, and you're going to slide it in like that, okay? You want to slide it all the way, like so. Get this side. So what I'd recommend is to just slowly go side by side to make sure the holes are lining up, and make sure the material on the back gate is nice and flush and flat. Okay, you might need to give it a little wiggle, and you can see it goes down. Another tip when installing the back airbag is make sure that the tailgate is locked up, so you can see it's up. You don't want to install the airbag when the gate is down. It makes it difficult. So keep the tailgate raised up. So you can see now, it looks like the holes are aligned. I can see all the way through. So we take the nuts and bolts. I'm going to use this and make sure you've got the bolt with a washer. This then goes through this side here. So get that fabric so it's aligned. Okay, that's through. So you might need to, as you're kind of pushing everything through, you might need to keep the tailgate lifted up a bit. Okay, they're both through. And then you're going to use the nuts to tighten it on. Okay, this side is on. You're going to make sure that's tight with the spanner. Same for this side. Okay, you can see here. Make sure that the material is all the way pushed up. Okay, and then lift the tailgate a little bit. Make sure that's pushed all the way in. That's good. Same again, through. Lift it up. Okay. Put the nuts on. Okay, and then tighten these all down with the spanner. The next step, once you finish that, is to insert the hose pipe. So the hose pipe is installed like this. Here's what we recommend. What you're going to do is, depending on which side the hose is going to go, so if you look at the airbag, on this DockyDock, the air pipe is on the starboard side. So what we're going to do is get the hose, feed it through the pocket here. So this goes through this pocket. You're going to feed that all the way. So you're going to take about this much, so it matches with the airbag. So once you've got the pipe, the hose pipe, you're going to find here, this is like a cross. Okay, this cross cut, which is going to be for the hose, that gets pushed through like that. So this hose pipe, when it's inside here properly, you can't see it. This pipe then plugs directly onto the silicone. So push that all the way, and then you'll use this adjustable clip this goes over the silicone. And then tighten it down. That's nice and tight. That's not going to come off. Now you can actually use this hose pipe, and you could be stood on the dock to inflate and deflate the airbag. So I'm going to show you now when we inflate the airbag. So if you're stood at the dock, you'll actually inflate. So you can see here that the airbag raises the tailgate of the DockyDock above this point here. So it makes the process of locking the tailgate much easier, and it's the same on this side. So once you've raised the airbag with air, and then you've locked the sliders across, at this point now, what we recommend is to actually release some of the air from the airbag until the back bar sits on top of the DockyDock. So if we release the air, let it go all the way until it rests on the actual DockyDock like this. So at this point now you can close the valve on the airbag and close the cap. So the pressure is not on the airbag, but the pressure is on the metal structure. So that is how to correctly install the metal and the airbag for your tailgate. Thank you.